Hello guys, today we are going to perform our next activity, that is implementation of IR sensor circuit. Again I am using a general purpose PCB for this. I have all the components that to be used in IR sensor circuit over here. In this circuit we will start with the IR photo pair. So here I have two IR LEDs and two photodiodes. Firstly pick one IR LED, identify its positive negative terminal. After that place it over PCB and bend it. Then slide little bit upwards, again bend this. Now it will look like this. So place it like this. Now it will face downwards. So because we need to apply this IR sensor module in front of buggy, that will be looking at downwards, so we have placed the IR LED like this. Now we have to do the same thing with the photodiode. Just bend a little bit, slide up the same we have slid the IR LED, then place it adjacent to the IR LED. So now it will look like this. After that we need to fix them on its place. For that we are doing the soldering. The soldering process is same. Take the soldering iron, take the soldering wire. So place the soldering iron from one side of the point and apply the soldering wire from other side. The component will get locked over there. So accordingly we will solder all the terminals that are coming from this side. So we have placed one IR pair. Next we are going to place the another pair similarly like this. So as you can see, we have placed the both IR sensors, or you can say for IR photo pairs. Next we are going to solder our next and the most important component of this circuit is IC base. This IC base will hold the LM358 operational amplifier that will act as the heart of this circuit. Soldering process is same as we have done in another circuits. Just place the IC base from this side and solder all the legs from another side. So we have placed the IC base also. Next we are going to place our resistance. Here we have 6 resistance, 2 of 10K and 4 of 330 ohm as we have discussed in the schematic diagram. So firstly we will connect the 330 ohm resistance with the IR LED and 10K resistance with photodiode. So we have placed 4 resistance, 2 on this side and 2 on this side, 330 ohm with corresponding to IR LED and 10K for the photodiode. Now we will solder them to fix them on its place. So we have soldered all the 4 resistance. Next we are going to connect the rest of 2 resistance that should be connected with the LED further for the output indication. So I have placed all the resistance. Now our next component is LEDs that to be connected with this resistance. Now I will connect one LED over here and another one over here. So we have connected the LEDs also. At last we are left with the potentiometers that are to be connected with two different pins of ICs. Here it should be connected with the pin number 3. So I will place it over here, and another potentiometer should be connected with pin number 6. So I am placing it over here. So we have placed all the components that to be used in this IR sensor circuit. Next thing we are left with to connect all these components with each other to complete this circuit. So as always I'm going to make tracks for this connections. Before that I will trim all the extra legs of these components that are unnecessary. For that again I'm using this wire cutter. So I have trimmed all the extra legs that are not of our use. Next I will make the tracks for these connections. For that again I am using this PCB holder to hold my PCB. So I have connected the connections that are available to connect with the component legs. Now for the rest of connections I am going to use this connecting wire as we have done in previous videos also. with all the connections. All the tracks has been made. After completion, your circuit will look like something this. Now it's ready to mount it on the buggy to follow the track. So that's all about this activity. Thank you.